Hello and welcome to Let's Build Barbecue. So I've got about 4 pounds of cucumber for pickling. Let's do that. Okay, so we have to make the pickle juice to start with, and it's really simple. We start with the wet parts. It's 5 deciliters of water, and then we're going to use the same amount of this is 12% distilled vinegar. In Sweden you can get 12% and 24%. It's the same thing, it's just more water on this one. So if you get the 24% one, you just need 2.5 deciliters. I'm going to put the measurements in pints and stuff, or cups and stuff in there. So you put that in there. So that's 5 deciliters of water, 5 deciliters of distilled vinegar. And into this we're going to add 9 deciliters of castor sugar and 2 deciliters of low sodium, no iodine salt. And then we're going to give this a stir, and we're actually going to keep stirring it until it's completely dissolved. And that's going to take a while. So I'll see you in a bit. The cucumbers have been thoroughly rinsed and scrubbed to get rid of all the stuff that you don't really want on there. And then, since I've got a crinkle cutter, I'm going to cut these crinkly, but you can of course use a regular knife, and I'm going to make them somewhere between 1/4 and 1/8 of an inch, something like so. So this is going to be a lot of fun. And the ends I'm not going to use, so this goes into a new bowl. And once I've done all that, I'm going to add mustard seed. I've got yellow and brown mustard seed, 3 tablespoons of each. It's up to you really, if you only want to go with yellow. And then I've got the flowers or the heads of 3 small bunches of dill like that. I only cut up the tips, and I'm going to mix them with the cucumber, and they're going to go in the jars as well. Makes it pretty, and of course it gives it quite a lot of taste. Anyway, time to chopping. And there we go. Now we're just going to mix this all together. Actually, these I would put in the jars once I put the cucumbers in there, but this mustard seed is actually easier to get mixed up if you do it like that. So I'm going to leave that for a second and get the jars ready. Okay, so I've got my jars, they're sterilized. I'm going to put in the description box what it's called that I sterilized with, but I used boiling water and then I used that. Anyway, so I'm going to put a little bit of cucumber, a few sprigs of dill. Yeah, you kind of guessed it, right? I'm just going to layer this in here. And now we've got brine. It's completely dissolved, so it's rather clear liquid now, or hopefully as clear as I can get it. No dill up top there. I'm just gonna fill these up. You don't have to top it off all the way, because there's gonna be liquid coming from the cucumbers. I'm gonna put the lid on, and then I'm going to leave them upside down for a bit, and then I'll turn them. Anyway, that's it. Some pickles. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.